series and compound.
Okay, those are coming under self-excited or separately excited.
Self-excited, ma'am.
Self-excited.
Self-excited.
Okay, then under compound, how what are the classifications that you are having?
Ma'am, cumulative
Short
and
shunt,
differential.
long shunt, and cumulative or differentiated.
Function
Cumulative
short.
and differential, long shunt and short shunt. So what are the
Yes,
various constructional parts that are present inside the machine?
In
ma'am.
motor,
That na yoke and all.
Which will come under stator, which will be coming under rotor?
Yes, ma'am. Stator in stator it will be yoke, terminal box,
pole,
then
Yeah. Pole.
poles and field winding.
Okay, then what parts will come under rotor section?
Ma'am,
commutator,
armature conductors, commutator and brushes.
brushes.
What is the working principle of a generator and a motor? Can you use the same machine as a generator and motor?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me something about the working principle of motor and generator.
generator
Ma'am,
works in
generator works on the
induction.
electromagnetic induction principle, Faraday's. That is E
Okay,
is equal to N into d phi by dt.
Yes,
you have to explain it with the experimental setup. By statement, how can you define principle?
Okay,
change in
okay.
You
current
are
induced. Uh,
you are to keep a conductor rotating in a static magnetic
Static
field. So
magnetic.
whenever that conductor during rotation it will cut the magnetic lines of flux, thereby rate of change of flux will be there inducing a dynamically induced EMF. Like that you have to define the statement. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
okay.
Then what
Okay,
about
ma'am.
the working principle of a motor?
Motor works because
Only
of the
one difference. See,
torque.
instead of keeping the conductor rotating, here you have to keep it initially stationary, then you have to pass the current through the armature. Then what will happen? Two sets of flux will be producing which will be
Yes, ma'am.
interacting with each other,
Yes,
generating a
yes.
force.
Yes, ma'am.
Twisting in nature, that twisting force or torque will act upon the armature, setting it into rotation. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that is
Yes, ma'am.
how you will be defining working principle of motor. Okay. And
Yes.
how to get the direction and all, it will be given by Fleming's left hand and right hand rule. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
that also you have to learn it. That you have to do it as a self study. Okay, this is all about DC machines. Now in today's class we will discuss AC
See.
machines. So how can you classify AC machines? All these things we have discussed earlier. So I'm skipping. Next
Yes,
comes
ma'am.
the constructional details of a three-phase induction motor. So before that, I will tell you the categorization. Okay, AC machines. How can you do the classification? AC machines,
Ma'am, that's synchronous or synchronous
synchronous and
commutator.
asynchronous. Okay, asynchronous and synchronous. So asynchronous machines are also called as what? Induction machines, and here also you will have the same classification. Motoring and generator you will be having. So under synchronous machines, you are having two classifications. One is salient and non-salient. Okay, salient and non-salient. And if you see to induction machines, you are having single phase, three phase
Three
category.
phase. Yes.
Okay, then already I
Mm,
told you all these things, no? Then you will be
yes,
having
ma'am.
what? In single phase means you are having permanent resistance, split phase motor, okay, and then capacitor start motor, and then capacitor start capacitor run motor, okay. Three phase means two types are there, that is squirrel gauge induction motor and then what, squirrel gauge and
Slippery.
one more slip ring. Okay, so this is how you will be classifying AC machines. So just to summarize the broad category, AC machines can also be classified as what? Motors and generators. Okay, motors and generators. And broad category of classification is synchronous and asynchronous. Under synchronous machine, what are the two classifications that you are having? Salient and non-salient. So I have already told you in earlier class that whatever machines you are having for generation of power in thermal power plants or hydel power plants, those are belonging to what category? Synchronous or asynchronous? Which one?
Synchronous.
Synchronous. Okay, those are called as alternators. That is synchronous generators. Salient or non-salient you can use. Okay, these type of machines are used for power generation. Okay, in thermal power plant or any power plant. So if you see to asynchronous machines, induction motors are very very famous, because in all the industrial areas, if you want to have a motor for driving something like in printing presses or rolling mills or any mills, here you will be using three-phase induction motor only. Okay, and three-phase induction motor, how can you do the classification for three-phase induction motor? Squirrel gauge and slip ring. And the same fashion, suppose if you see to the ceiling fan and all. Okay, ceiling fan, do you have a motor or no motor? Motor is there.
Yes, ma'am. Motor is there.
That
Yes, ma'am.
motor is what motor? Single phase induction motor. Okay, ceiling
Yes, ma'am.
fan. Then you are having a refrigerator, then washing machine.
Uh,
Then in all those cases, you will be using what type of motor?
Induction motor.
Single phase. Okay,
Single phase
single phase
induction motor.
induction motor. Okay, but in big industries and all, you will be usually using three phase. Okay, but in the case of ceiling fan, like refrigerator, that compressor and all, you will be using single phase induction machines.
Ma'am,
Okay. Hmm.
the phase type depends on the usage, na, of that
Single
machine.
phase means only one winding will be there, which will be generating single
No,
phase AC
ma'am.
supply.
Ma'am, we will not have three-phase induction motor in ceiling fan. Na?
No, no, no. Because it is running on single phase AC supply. Why do you need to have a three phase induction motor there?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so this is how you will be classifying the machines. Now categorization is over. Now again you need to discuss something about the constructional details and what is the working principle. So I already told you that this three-phase induction motor is very popular in case of industries. Okay, because it is tough, rough, and it is very rugged. So because of all these characteristics, you usually use three-phase induction motor in big industries for driving something. Okay, so if you want to discuss about the construction and working principle, I already told you it is classified into two types depending upon the construction, that is squirrel gauge, and what is the other category? Slip
Slip
ring.
ring. Slip rings, ma'am.
Okay, slip ring. Now I'll tell you how it will be differing in terms of construction. Same here also you will be having stator, rotor, everything. Okay, but before that, if it is to be a squirrel gauge machine, consider if it is a squirrel gauge machine, then you will be having some slots. Okay, these will be the slots. These are the slots. Slots means, you know, those are nothing but empty openings. All right. So in these open slots, okay, these are the slots. These are the slots or openings. Okay, empty spaces in which you are going to fix up the rotor bars. I'll use a different color. Here you will be placing the rotor bar. Okay, this is your rotor bar. That is your conductor. Okay, here also you will keep the conductor. And here also you will keep the conductor. Okay, here also you will be using a conductor. These are nothing but copper bar. Okay, copper bar. And either side, what are you doing? On either side, if you see, you are closing it or you are short circuiting the two sides. You can observe or not. Are you short circuiting or not short circuiting? These are the two ends, no.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you are closing the two ends in a short circuited manner by means of end rings. So these will be end rings. On either side you will be having end rings with the help of which you will be short circuiting the rotor bars. So if you see this, does it look like a squirrel gauge or not?
What is squirrel gauge?
Squirrel gauge, leave
Oh,
squirrel,
got it,
cage,
got it.
cage,
Yeah.
no.
Ah, yes, ma'am. It is looking like
It
cage.
is resembling like a cage, no.
Yes, 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 ma'am.
Okay, so that is why it is called as what machine?
Squirrel gauge
What is the
cable.
name? Squirrel gauge machine. This is
Squirrel gauge machine.
entirely resembling what? Rotor or stator?
Sir,
This is
Rotor.
rotor. Okay, so
rotor, ma'am.
how will you get a squirrel gauge assembly? Tell me. You have to have long bars like this, which are fixed in the opening slots. On either side, you will be short circuiting with the help of an end ring. So if you do so, it will get an appearance of a squirrel gauge. That's why these machines are called as squirrel gauge induction machines. Okay, understood? Again, in the center, you will be having a keyway. Okay, if you are rotating the keyway, this whole assembly will be rotating. Okay, so this is all about the rotor. Okay, but if you are talking about slip ring, okay, this is a three-phase machine. Okay, three-phase machine. So we'll be having three number of phases or three number of windings. So the three windings in the stator will be like this. Okay, these will be stator winding R, Y, B are the three phases. You know what is three phase assembly? What are the two ways of connecting three phases? What are the two ways in which you can give connection for three phases?
Star delta.
Star and delta. So this is star or delta?
Star.
Star. Okay, so this is your stator. So if you see to the rotor means rotor will also be like this. Star only. This is rotor. Rotor will also be a three phase and it will be connected to three number of slip ring like this.
Ma'am, what is actually slip rings?
Slip ring is actually similar to a commutator only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Sometimes it's having some special property of increasing the resistance, rotor resistance. For increasing the torque and all, you will use this. Okay. So these are slip rings. After this only, you will be having that commutator. I mean, brushes, some other assemblies will be like connected there. So here you can connect one external resistance. Okay, if you are varying the resistance means you will be able to vary the rotor side resistance. Okay, but if you see to the squirrel gauge, no, squirrel gauge will be having fixed rotor bus. You won't be able to have that rotor resistance variation. Okay, sometimes if you want to increase the starting torque means you will need to vary the rotor resistance, but that is not possible in the case of squirrel gauge. But it is possible in the case of slip ring. That's the thing. Understood? What is the necessity of slip ring?
So this squirrel gauge and slippery are parts which are used in motors.
The rotor construction, depending upon the rotor construction only, you are having two types of classification. Suppose if you are doing the rotor construction like this, then it is squirrel gauge. If you are doing the connection like this, then it will be slip ring. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
And one more important difference is in which case you will be able to vary the rotor resistance. Slip ring or squirrel gauge, where it is possible to increase the rotor resistance.
Slip rings,
Squirrel
ma'am.
slip ring only. Okay, here you are having a variable resistance. If you are able to vary the resistance, you will be able to vary the rotor. But here all are short circuited. You won't be able to add extra resistance to it. So it is not possible for a squirrel gauge to increase the rotor resistance. I think it's one of the questions that is asked in lab IVA. So for that purpose, I am telling you. Okay, now this is all about the two types of three-phase induction motor. Now we'll discuss the constructional details in with the help of a diagram. So what type is this? Tell me. Squirrel gauge or slip ring?
Squirrel gauge.
Squirrel gauge. Okay, so here you will be having a shaft. You will insert this into the stator here. Okay, this is your stator part. Okay, again if you see means the outer portion will be called as what?
Yoke.
Yoke. Okay, or frame. Okay, that is for preventing the mechanical injury of the internal parts. And inside if you see, okay, this is your stator. Inside the stator, I will draw it a little bit clear. Okay, if this is a stator, inside the stator you will be having small slots cut. Okay, like this. Like this, stator slots will be there. Okay, these are for placing the conductors, you know that. So I will place the conductor in place here. So this is my conductor, stator conductor. Okay, these are stator conductors. Alright, now I will connect all these, okay, together. Like this I will connect in three phase. Okay, in three phase assembly I will connect either in star or delta I will connect and I will take it out. Okay, three phase supply will be given. Okay, this will be three phase AC supply. So this is all about what part? Stator or rotor?
Rotor.
Rotor, ma'am.
Rotor. This is rotor.
Sorry. Stator.
Ma'am, which
Stator.
one? Which one?
This one.
Diagram.
This one.
Yes, ma'am. Stator it is.
Stator. Okay, so what will be the constructional details of stator? There will be a magnetic frame the inner periphery of the stator will be cut like this. Okay, openings will be cut like this in the inner periphery, in which you are going to keep what? You are to
Rotor.
keep stator conductor. These red markings are conductors. Okay, these conductors will be connected together either in star or delta fashion, and the terminal windings will be taken out to give an a three-phase supply. Understood stator or not now? Or do you want me to explain again? This is all about stator, not rotor. Okay. Again, this is your stator. Okay. So this is your frame. Okay. Magnetic frame. And in the inner periphery, you will be having so many openings. Okay. This is your inner periphery. You don't know what is the meaning of inner periphery or not? Are you hearing me out or you are keeping silent? You are not able to hear me properly.
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you.
What is inner periphery? Inner periphery means the inner circle. Okay, the outer periphery means outer boundary. Okay, so the inner boundary is cut with the different slots. Like this, openings will be there. Some small openings in which you are going to keep what? The
Rotor.
conductor. Conductor.
Conductor, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Conductor. Conductors will be placed. That is stator conductors will be placed, not rotor. Stator
Okay.
conductor will be placed. Okay. Then
Yes,
you
ma'am.
are going to connect it, everything.
Stator.
Okay, all the things you will be connecting, all the windings, either in star fashion or delta fashion, you will connect. Okay, and it will be connected to RYB. RYB means what? RYB means what?
Red, yellow,
That is three phase. What is a
CP,
three phase AC supply specification? All these things are not new to you.
RYB, ma'am. Red, yellow, blue.
RYB phase, three phase supply. How much is the three phase AC supply voltage? 430 or 440, 50 hertz. So this stator
440, 50
winding,
hertz.
the stator winding will be connected to that 440 supply. Okay. This is all about stator or rotor. Again, I am asking you for one final time.
Stator.
Stator. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Stator.
Alright. So in this assembly only, you will be inserting what?
Rotor.
Rotor.
Rotor. So this rotor already told you that is squirrel gauge rotor type. Okay,
Yes.
already I know, I told you what is squirrel gauge, how it will be constructed. Okay. Now the thing is principle, working principle. Okay, you are having a stator here. There are conductors in the stator. So it is being given a three-phase AC supply. So once if the winding is supplied with three-phase AC, then what will be set up as a result?
Magnetic field.
Magnetic field. That will be three-phase in nature or single phase?
Three phase.
Two
Three phase.
phase.
So three phase. This is R phase. Then next thing will be Y phase, and finally other thing will be
Blue phase.
B phase. So this is three phase magnetic field that will be generated. Okay, by the stator. Stator winding will be like this. It will be given RYB phase. Supply will be given to it. So it will set up a three phase magnetic field. In this you are keeping a rotor. This is rotor. Alright, rotor also you will have the conductors, that is rotor copper bars. So when the flux lines are passing, crossing to the rotor, okay, then rotor will also generate its own flux. That flux will be called as rotor flux. Okay, so these two flux will be interacting with each other. That stator flux and rotor flux will be interacting with each other, as a resultant of which what will be generated, force will be
Turning force.
enacted. Okay, So that force will be a twisting torque. That twisting torque will set the rotor into rotation.
Motion.
Okay, so that is how it is called as what machine, motoring machine or generating machine,
Motoring
Motor.
machine.
motoring machine. Okay, that is all about the construction and working principle. I'm hoping all understood.
Yeah, ma'am.
Again, here also you will have laminations as usual, alright, in order to avoid eddy current loss.
Yes, ma'am.
And you will choose a magnetic material with the low hysteresis loss. So you can see to this diagram, this is stator or rotor.
This is stator.
Stator, ma'am.
This stator. Okay, so you can
Stator.
see for yourself. This is what portion.
Yoke.
You
This is yoke. This is yoke. The outer portion. Inside this one, you
stator
can see
winding.
no. These are that golden color things are what?
I
Stator
think so.
winding.
Laminations.
Winding. So they are taken out into three terminals.
Terminal
No, you can
blocks.
see the terminal, isn't it? So this will be given with what RYB supply will be given, AC supply. Okay. So
Yes,
it will set up the flux lines here. Okay, this is called a stator flux. Okay, stator flux will be stationary, but it will be having a magnitude like that. Okay, that I will teach in theory. So this is all about stator. Okay. Now if you see this one, what is this one?
Rotor.
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 Gauge.
This is squirrel gauge rotor or the slip ring rotor?
Squirrel gauge.
Squirrel gauge, ma'am.
Squirrel gauge. So these are what here?
Squirrel
Golden
cage.
color things are representing
Windings.
Rotor
winding,
winding.
rotor winding. Okay, now you understood constructional
Yeah, ma'am.
detail.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, and what is the
Yes,
green in
ma'am.
between them? Gray
Which one?
color.
That is teeth. This is the entire circular assembly. Here you have to cut. Inside that only you will place the winding. Openings, no. These are openings, slots. These are teeth. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay, that's all. Okay, so in this experiment, the things that you are supposed to do is you have to draw DC machine construction, AC machine, that is three-phase induction motor construction, like this. This diagram you have to draw, redraw, or you can refer to Google and you can obtain a better representation. You have to draw the diagram and you have to label the parts. Okay. Then same thing you have to do for AC three-phase induction motor also. Okay. You are not to draw this diagram. Okay, don't draw this diagram. You refer to Google and like you are having this diagram, no. Like you are having this cross-sectional view, AC also will have one more diagram. Okay, that diagram
So
you have to draw. Okay, yeah?
draw and paste in the manual, ma'am.
Yes, you have to draw in paper and you have to paste it. And you have to
Okay,
finish
ma'am.
up pre-lab, post-lab and you have to submit. Okay, yeah?
Yes, ma'am. Only
That's
two
all.
diagrams. DC
Yes,
and AC.
study. This is study experiment only. So you have to draw the constructional view of an AC machine and a DC machine. That is AC machine means three-phase induction motor. You have to draw. Plus, in
Okay, ma'am.
addition, you draw core type and shell type transformer also. Okay.
Okay.
You know
Core
how
That's
to
type.
do core type
four
and shell
things.
type. Yesterday taught you know
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
that thing. Okay. DC machine construction, three-phase induction motor construction, and core and shell type transformer. Four diagrams you have to draw, write pre-lab, post-lab, and you have to submit as an assignment. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, will you please repeat core type, shell type, transformer?
Core type, shell type, AC and DC machine constructional view. AC means three-phase induction motor. Okay.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, no
Understood
theory, only
everybody.
diagram, huh?
What ma?
No theory, only diagram.
Only diagram.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
But you have to write pre-lab, post-lab.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Now one more experiment we will start up. I think I've already opened assignment for DC and AC machine, no?
No, ma'am.
No.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, then I will put it as an assignment. So far you have finished 5 experiments. I think so, isn't it?
No, ma'am. I think so. Four. One. Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
Five are complete. Five.
5, I think so. So
One, two,
next
three, seven,
experiment,
five.
yeah.
Five.
The next experiment will try one part. Okay, experiment number 5. There is a fluorescent lamp wiring and staircase wiring. Both you will try. Fluorescent lamp it is not possible to do in E circuit, so we will do that later. All right. Only one part we will do. Okay. Anyway, all your homes you are having a tube light, no? Do you have a tube light?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
know how to do the assembly for tube light?
No.
No, ma'am.
No,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
because
only
Yes,
know that
ma'am.
starter is there.
I think some of you know there
Yes,
is a
sir.
Yes,
choke.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Have
Yes,
you
ma'am. We
seen
have
the
to run
choke
for it.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
capacitor?
Yes,
They
ma'am.
tell na.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
it is.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir. Two can.
So you know how to connect.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, sir.
will you do it if I'm opening an assignment to give connection for tube light and you have to make it as a video and you have to post it, a 10-minute video, a 5-minute video. Will you do?
Few
Ma'am.
time
How,
of
ma'am?
Ma'am, but don't have tube light at home.
You can go to a shop and buy these things, no? Choke,
Okay, ma'am.
capacitor. You will do it or you don't want to do? That
We
is
can
what
do
I
it.
wanted.
I
Ma'am,
have to
I
take
think that
it.
the city now I am living doesn't have such facility like capacitor and all.
You can go to a hardware shop, no? Nearby town. No village is without any nearby town.
I live in
Yes or no,
town.
man?
I live in town, but I'm not sure that such kind of thing will be available at shop.
See, all the electrical hardware shops have jog,
Okay, ma'am.
capacitor, tube light. Okay.
Yeah,
Then
ma'am.
then you have to have one switch, then one plug point. Okay, one screwdriver, wire, everything you have to get. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. This we'll do it later. Don't try it now, but you have to do it as a 5-minute video and you have to post. Okay. All right. How the fluorescent lamp works, do you know?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, all those things we'll discuss later. Okay, because this is new to you. Let me try out. In lab, I will make a video of how to give connections. After that, you can try it out. Okay. Now the
Okay,
next
ma'am.
next thing is staircase. This you will do it in E circuit. Okay. First thing that I wanted to tell you is what is staircase wiring. I will tell you. See, in many of your houses, you may have two floors, isn't it? Suppose if you are having a fan in the top floor, you are in the top floor, so you have switched it on. Okay, it is running, but you have come to the ground floor. Now you have forgotten to switch it off, but you are in ground floor. So in ground floor also there is a two-way switch. So you are switching it and thereby switching off the top fan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you seen such an arrangement in
Yes, yes.
your home?
Ma'am,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is
I
How
have.
something
many of
like,
your how many of your homes are having this type of
Yes, ma'am.
arrangement?
My is having for light, ma'am, and also for a fan.
ma'am, this is
What about
something like
others?
attached bathroom, no, ma'am.
Two-way
Both
What?
sides of the door will have one switch, like attached bathroom.
Anyway, light or fan, whatever may be the load, but
No,
you.
ma'am.
two-way you are
Like,
Uh,
asking.
what I'm saying is for attached bathroom also you will have this type, no, ma'am.
the way you
For
are
one side,
explaining, I am not understanding what question you are asking me.
no, ma'am. The staircase circuit they use it for attached bathroom also, no, ma'am. That is,
Maybe any place. That's the thing I'm telling you. Anywhere you can use. You can use in attached bathroom also. No problem. Okay. Same light, same fan, but two switches at different places. That is
Yes,
Ah,
missing
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
combination.
Yes, ma'am.
How many of your homes are having such an arrangement? Only
Yeah, ma'am.
three are giving
Ma'am,
me answer.
we
ma'am,
have.
but how they work?
I am telling you, don't jump to conclusions. I always tell you no. I wanted to know how many of your homes have this arrangement and how many of you have observed.
Ma'am, I
Yes,
have,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Observe.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
we have.
We have,
Yes,
ma'am.
We have, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we have.
Yeah.
Okay, so I am telling you the load can be any load. Here you are having what load here?
Bulb,
Bulb.
lamp.
Okay,
Lamp,
bulb.
lamp.
So this can also be a fan or this can be any arrangement.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
But in order to activate it, how many switches are you using? How many switches are
Two.
here? 2.
Two.
Okay, so these
Two.
switches are called as two-way switch, not one-way switch. One-way switch means only two terminals will be there. You will be switching on or off. That is one-way switch. Okay, but two-way switch means how many terminals are there?
Four.
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 Three.
How four? Three.
Three.
Ah, yes, ma'am. Three.
3. Okay, so this is one terminal, second terminal, third terminal. This is one terminal, second terminal, third terminal. So this was called as what switch?
Two-way switch.
Two-way switch. So suppose if you want to operate this load by in two different places. Okay, this is first place and this is the second place. Okay. So if you want to operate this load in from two different places, you have to have what type of switch? Is it possible by using one-way switch?
I
No.
think these are DPS key switches, right?
It's like a DPST only, but it's a simple switch. Okay, not complicated DPST. So this is called as what switch? Two-way switch.
Okay.
Okay,
Cool.
two-way switch. Okay. So the definition for staircase wiring is you want to operate the load from two different places. Okay. Remember the definition. This is one important Viva question. You want to operate one particular load from two different places. Okay. So what is staircase wiring? What is staircase wiring? Operating a particular load. The load may be any load. It may be a tube light or it may be a fan or it may be a bulb. You want to operate the same load from two different places. That is called as what type of wiring?
Staircase wiring.
Staircase wiring. So how will you define staircase wiring? Again, from your side, I want the answer.
Ma'am, any type of load can be handled in two different ways. Is called a staircase load. Staircase wiring.
Okay. Okay. So what is the supply that is given here?
AC supply.
AC supply. What type?
230 volts,
What
50
AC
hertz.
supply? Single phase or three phase?
Single phase.
Single phase.
See, wait for some 5 minutes now. I will be back.
Fine.
So now you are able to hear me? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this type of wiring we'll try it in E circuit. I have already told you that you are having a single phase 230 volt. What are the two terminals for a single phase AC supply? What is P and N? I've already told you DC means two terminal plus and minus. Single phase AC means two terminals P and N. What do P and N mean? Phase and
Okay.
phase and again phase and all the things you have forgotten. What about my voice? You are not able to hear me. Ah? Are you able to see and hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what are the two terminals here? What is P and what is N? P is phase and N is neutral. Okay. Always don't forget the things that I am teaching you. Okay. DC means plus and minus. Single phase AC means phase and neutral. Three phase means RYBN. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how to give connection? Tell me. The phase part is connected to the second terminal of the two-way switch, and the other switch will be connected 1 dash, and neutral is connected to one end of the lamp. This switch is connected to other end of the lamp. Suppose if you are able to close this circuit, then only the lamp will glow because current will flow. Okay. Alright, there are two ways in which you can give staircase connection. One is direct connection and the other one is cross. Okay, this is also very important. There are two ways in which you can give staircase. How can you give staircase wiring? What are the two methods? Direct and
Toss.
cross. So I will tell you first how to give direct connection. Okay, suppose if there are three terminals, you assume these are the three terminals. Okay, now the phase I am giving it to okay, 1 2 3 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash like this. Okay, so the phase is connected to second terminal. Okay, and then if you are switching this on, okay, if you are switching it on, you assume, and this is also switched on, and you are connecting 1 and 1 dash. Okay, and then the 2 is given to the lamp. All right, so circuit is closed or not closed?
Close, ma'am.
Closed. So both the switches are placed on. Okay, so the lamp will glow or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it will glow. So there is a truth table that you have to write. First thing is switch 1, switch 2 and lamp. So 0 0 both are off, you assume, off, on, off, on off. So this is corresponding to on or off or which condition?
Off, on, off.
On.
On, on.
Okay, so on. Lamp is glowing or not glowing?
Glowing, ma'am.
Glowing.
Glowing. Okay, that is first. Next, you keep the connection like this. Okay, like I am drawing it. This means both the switches are off. So the lamp will glow or not?
Blow, ma'am.
Yes, it will
Glow, ma'am.
glow. Okay. So on, lamp glows. Off also glows. Okay. Suppose other way if I connect. Okay. Here I am keeping on. Okay. But this one I am keeping it off. Okay.
It will not
Is a
glow.
yes, it will not glow. Okay. So on off, it doesn't glow. Okay. Another thing. I am keeping this off. I am keeping this on. Then
Same. Will not blow.
Not below.
No,
yes, it
ma'am,
will
not
not
good.
glow. So this is truth table for what connection? Direct or cross? This is
Direct.
called as direct.
Direct,
Okay, direct.
direct, ma'am.
Okay, direct. Now I will tell you how to give cross connection. Okay, this truth table you have to fill. Okay, like this. I think only one connection is given, but there is another way of giving connection also, that is cross connection. That I will tell you how.
Ma'am,
Uh,
ma'am, but cross connection will lead to short circuit. No?
no, okay, like this if I am connecting. Okay, so this is on, this is off, but I am connecting 1 and 3 dash. So circuit is closed or not closed?
Closed, ma'am.
Closed. So this is on off,
On, on
the
condition.
lamp glows. Okay, this is one, and then I am keeping this on. Okay, I am keeping this also on. Okay, and I am connecting here. All right. So circuit is closed or not closed?
Not closed.
Not
Not
close.
closed. So
Not closed.
on. So the lamp is not glowing. Okay. Then off also it will
It
not
will
glow.
not glow.
Okay. Off on means
Glow.
glow.
Will go.
Okay. I'll tell you how. Off on. So this is off. Okay, off. Then I'm giving connection like this. This is off, on, but I'm connecting the 3 and 1 dash. So the circuit will be again closed. So this is what type of connection? This is called as
Cross connection.
cross
Cross
connection. Okay.
connection.
Okay. Now we will try this in E circuit. Okay. I will stop presenting from here. I will try this in E circuit. Okay.
Okay.
All have opened E circuit.
Oh, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am. Opening.
All are able to see the screen that I am showing.
No,
No.
ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
Wait.
No, ma'am.
So wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all open e-circuit like this. The rest in
Ma'am, I'm
class
not able
also
to
are
see the
able to
ma'am.
follow. What ma?
I'm not able to see the screen, ma'am.
You pin me, you refresh.
Yeah, ma'am. Now it
Ah,
is visible.
okay, so all have opened e-circuit. All the others also in class.
Yes,
As
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
usual,
Yeah,
open
ma'am.
sample.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Follow the steps that I'm doing. I need to open a blank circuit. Okay, I want a switch supply, AC supply, everything. So in inputs and sources, I will add an AC two terminal source like this. Okay, all are able to follow? Yes or no?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
I will edit because it is a 50 hertz source, so I will change some things. 230 volt I have to give. Okay, 230 volt. Then AC 50 hertz. I will change it. Okay. Then I have to have a lamp. We find out where I am having a lamp.
Components. Yes,
I
ma'am.
can
Add LED.
add lamp. Lamp is also there. I will check out whether there is any bulb or not.
In outputs, it's given
Yes,
now.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Outputs and
I
labels.
saw, but somewhere I saw another lamp or bulb. So that's I'm checking. Okay, we'll check bulb lamp. Okay,
Ma'am, what frequency have you set, ma'am?
50 hertz, and plus one more thing. Where is the phase connected? Phase is connected to
Uh, two switches. Neutral to lamp and phase to switches.
okay, I will drag it here. I have to connect this to neutral only, so I will drag it here. Okay, so this is my lamp. There is given 100 power, nominal voltage 120, cool down time 400. I'll give it default. Then I want switch. Okay, so I will add two-way switch.
Ma'am, SPDT.
Single pole double through.
Excuse me, ma'am. After
Ma'am, SPDT will work.
Okay. Let me check.
ma'am, after
What?
AC voltage, you put the lamp, right?
Lamp. See, first via switch only the current will flow. So the phase should be connected to switch. Okay.
Yeah.
That's
Okay,
why
okay.
I shifted the lamp to the other side. Okay.
So it's the lamp only, na? You added the
Yeah,
lamp.
it's lamp only.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
What
Okay.
right now?
So by clicking on it, I will be able to connect it different. Okay, you are able to see now.
And what you have selected for this?
Uh, SPDT switch. Wait, I'll show. SPDT switch. Understood? Ah?
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Then as per the diagram, I have to connect. Let me try that direct connection. So this is on. Both the switches are on or off.
They're on.
On.
If we'll
On.
connect wire to that.
Okay. Now I will connect it with the wire. Okay. Now I am connecting these two. Okay. Then only the circuit will be closed. Then I am closing with the lamp. Okay. All right. So the lamp is glowing or not? I don't know.
Yes, ma'am.
Current is flowing, so I don't
Yes,
know
ma'am.
whether it is
Glowing, ma'am.
glowing or not. Okay, so this is on, the lamp glows. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Uh,
Ma'am, the second switch is placed wrong. It should be in reverse position.
no, this is on only. Okay. Alright, this is on, lamp glows. Okay, let me check. Off. Okay. So I am switching off. Okay. Alright. I'm switching off and using wire I'm connecting. So lamp is off.
There is a wrong connection, ma'am.
Yeah, I know.
wrong. The second switch should be right to left instead of left to right.
Okay, so this is off. Again, lamp is glowing or not glowing?
Glowing.
Glowing. Okay, like this, you have to check it. Okay, one more condition. Let me check. Now we will switch off. Now is the current flowing? Now the circuit is broken. Okay, so you can see for yourself the lamp is glowing or not glowing.
It is showing yellow color.
No yellow color, it's not glowing. The current is not running now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can see. Is it glowing now?
No, ma'am.
No, it will not glow. Okay, because here the first one I have switched on, this one I have kept it off. Okay, that's why. This one I will connect it. Okay, this is off, this is on. Okay, still you can see the conventional current flow is stopped, no? Like that. Okay, you can see for yourself. So this is what type of connection? What type of connection? Cross or direct?
Off on direct.
Direct.
Direct. What is
Direct.
the truth? What is the truth table?
On, on,
Off,
off,
off, will
off,
glow.
off, on.
Mhm. So how will you give cross connection? Tell.
And we will join the blue wire directly to this one, second one
So
switch.
this is off, this is on. So I will use a wire to connect this. So okay. Then this is cross connection that I am trying. One switch I have put off, another one I have put on. Okay. So you can see lamp is glowing or not glowing. Lamp is glowing or not glowing.
Yes, glowing.
Yes.
I'm
This
going
switch, this switch is off. This switch is in on. So this is called as what connection?
cross.
Cross
Cross
connect.
Cross.
connection.
Cross connection.
Okay. Same way, other way also you can do. So four status you have to put. Okay. Remaining things you can try on your own. Okay. This you finish. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right. So suppose if you can see for yourself, if I am pushing this off, the circuit is broken. Okay. Both are on. The lamp is not glowing. Okay. And then this is off. Okay, still the circuit is closed, so again the lamp is not glowing. Okay, like that you can try. One more condition also you can try. Understood?
Yeah, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes.
this type of wiring arrangement is called as what wiring?
Staircase wire.
Staircase wiring.
What are the two types of staircase wiring?
Direct cross.
Direct and cross.
Direct cross. What is the truth table for cross?
On, off, on.
Off,
Off,
On,
off,
off,
off. Off,
then
on.
on, off, on.
On.
Okay.
Off on.
So totally four circuits, 8 circuits you have to copy and paste for staircase. Okay, and truth
8.
table you have to fill. Okay,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
okay, okay. So this finishes off one part of this experiment. Other part is fluorescent lamp wiring. That is tube light wiring. It's not possible for you to try it in UV circuit because there is no choke available, no starter available. Okay, that I will do a demo. Okay, and I will put it in GCR. Based upon that, you go to your store. Okay, buy a tube light, choke,
Yes, ma'am.
and
Yes.
try it and post your own
Yes,
video.
ma'am.
5 minute run. That will do it
Ma-
later, slow. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to just do the connections and try to on the tube light. That is the only aim, na?
Yes, but you have to screw up the plug point wiring and all. You have to give
Okay, okay,
now.
okay. Okay, ma'am. Practically we have to do.
Yes, you have to connect the plug point. Two wires will come. That I will show it in other
Video.
way. Okay, wait. Okay, here I will stop presenting. But all of you understood how to do staircase wiring, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What about from the other side? I want to hear SS from everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will stop presenting from here and I will tell you how to give connection. Demo I will do it later. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
See, the working principle of tube light you have to learn. That is an important thing. Okay. Working principle of fluorescent lamp. What are the different parts and what is the purpose of each and every parts that you have to do it as self study. I am not going to teach.
Okay.
Okay. So this is your tube light. All right. So as usual, this is your plug point. You know how the plug looks like, no?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your socket. Okay. Two pin plug you have seen, two pin plug.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have to
2 pin, 3
get one
pin.
two pin plug. Okay. Then wire arrangements. You have to cut the wire. Wire cutter you have to get. Okay. Then the face, that is one. If you are having 2 points, you are having no in the plug point, that you have to screw it in the plug. Okay, this is your plug. The one of the wire you have to connect it to the switch. Switch, you know, not two terminal switch is there, no? On off switch.
Yes, yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so to that switch face you have to give it to face. One wire you have to take and give it to one end of the switch. Okay. Other end of the switch you have to connect it to choke. Choke will be a box like thing. There also two terminals will be there. So to one terminal you have to give it to from the switch end. Okay. Other terminal, the tube light, if you see, this is your tube light. Okay. So here one terminal will be there. Two terminal. So to one terminal you have to give the other end of the choke. Okay. This is
Okay,
your
ma'am.
capacitor. You have seen capacitor starter, they tell you, no?
Yes, ma'am. Starter heard only,
That will
but
also
not
have
seen.
two terminal. Okay, two terminal. The other end you have to give it like this. So as given in the circuit diagram, you have to give connection. So you have to get a starter, you have to get a choke, you have to get a wire, you have to get one two terminal switch, then
And also tube, na, ma'am?
uh, tube, then plug points.
Yeah,
Okay,
ma'am.
that will do it. First, let me put a demo. Okay, then you try it.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
I don't know how much costlier it will be, totally put together, everything. But nowadays you are having tube lights with an integrated choke. Okay.
Yes.
Nowadays
It would be
advancements have come.
quite
But
more than
still
500.
you need to learn how to give a tube light connection. That is basic for electrical engineer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's fun only. You can try. Instead of a fluorescent tube, you can also use a bulb. That is not necessary, but here they have given fluorescent tube light connection only, so you should learn. First, let me put a demo, then you can try. Okay. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, wrong connections will lead to short circuit. Na?
Ramshan, that's why I'm telling you first let me put a demo. You yourself don't try. If you want to try means you have to be safe. If you
Okay, ma'am.
connect a bare copper wire, if you plug it in, switch on the switch, then if you are touching a bare copper means you will get shock.
Yeah,
Okay,
ma'am.
so please be careful when you are trying. It's a simple experiment only. You can try, but you have to be careful on some terms. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You should not touch bare copper always with your hand. Alright? That is why
Yes,
they
ma'am.
give insulating material. Huh? What ma? What? If you want means you can try. But the thing that I am telling you is be careful. You should not try bare copper without switching off. Don't touch anything. Okay. First you have to check the connection. Then only you have to switch it on. So many things are there. But you can do. It's a simple thing only. But you have to take care that you do not touch the bare copper with the switch on. Okay, that is in that thing you should not try. Okay, yeah.
Ma'am, these are the precautions to be followed.
Yes, yes. The switch, if it is
Yes,
closed, if this switch is closed and if you are touching it bare, then you will get shock. Okay, so you have to be double
yes,
careful.
slippers, ma'am.
Huh?
Slippers.
What slippers?
Slipper.
Ma'am
That
is telling
will
to
not help you,
wear.
man. What, you are telling me that you will wear slipper and you will touch the bare copper wire, huh?
No, ma'am, for precaution purpose.
You should wear, but you should never touch bare copper. By mistake, accidentally, if you are touching, you will get shock, man. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's
Ma'am,
all for today's lab class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am, we are doing Diwali's connections, that the series connection. We can't show that.
That that you already have everything, no man. Connection and all is already there. You are plugging it in and you are switching it on.
No,
Very
ma'am.
nice.
No, ma'am. Making the wire, arranging the wire, connecting the extension, something like
That
that. We
is
all are
a
doing
LED
everywhere.
light. No, you have to give tube light. Tube light is different. LED is different. Nah.
We have to purchase the tube light. Then what
Yes,
will we
you
do
have to
after that?
purchase a tube light, choke, starter, plug point,
No, after the
wire.
experiment, what will be the use of it?
Return it
You
to the
will
shop
know
again.
how to give tube light connection.
Ma'am, you are teaching, we are doing.
What? In your home you can try it out, no man.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
Yes.
return it to the
What about
shopkeeper again.
LED tube light?
LED is simple, no. Again, I'm telling you, you are not having choke. You are not having starter element in LED, no
Ma'am,
man.
we
Ma'am,
can
that
do
means
one
you
thing
have to
when the
take the
offline
tube
will
light
start,
which
we
is
will show you
from
there.
old.
Ma'am, when the
Don't try
offline
out
will
anything.
start, ma'am, when the offline
First,
will start, we will show you at that time.
anyway, you are not going to have offline classes. I'm not
Ma'am,
sure.
when it
Okay.
will be open after January, February, March, April, May, June, then we will show.
Yes, ma'am.
What? With that, by that time, I will go off from teaching you. Your semester will be
No,
over,
ma'am, we
man.
will find you and we will show you.
No, but all that depends upon coordinator. This is an interesting thing. If you are in lab, means you can do it. All people
मैम
usually
इट इज
enjoy.
क्वाइट रिस्की यार मैम if अगर किसी बच्चे को शॉक
It's
लग
not
गया तो
risky,
फिर
man.
मैम किसी को
Always.
शॉक लग गया फिर
See,
Then
the
take
thing
your
is, you should
नो
parents
not
के
उसके
साथ
पेरेंट्स
wait.
रिस्पॉन्सिबल
Let
पेरेंट्स
me
की क्या
speak.
हालत होगी
This
It's
is
easy only. Take care. You should not touch bare copper. That's the thing. Other than that, everything is easy only. Okay.
मैम शॉर्ट सर्किट आल्सो हैपेंस
Okay.
व्हेन
With this, we
ट्यूबलाइट
all can disperse. All
You
right.
can
Yes, ma'am.
use
Ma'am, and it's a request, ma'am. Please give deadline after the exam, ma'am.
What deadline?
ma'am
मैम
For
आफ्टर द दिवाली
this
मैम
practical, ma'am.
yes, ma'am, after Diwali, sorry, ma'am. Please.
Yes, ma'am. Please,
मैम
ma'am.
आफ्टर दिवाली एंड
What experiment you want to submit later?
Ma'am, this one,
एवरी
the
DC
tube
machine.
light.
All
Tube
एवरी
light you can do it later.
No, ma'am.
DC
No,
machine
ma'am.
you first submit.
No, ma'am. We have done right now bulb one.
This
That
motor
two-way
and
staircase wiring. That one.
See, demo of DC AC machine only you complete. That's all. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
मैम प्लीज
Complete.
keep the deadline after the दिवाली
yes, ma'am.
One more week, what will you do, man? Next week also
मैम
you are
देयर
having lab, no?
Exams, ma'am. After
some
exams,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have
CPs and many work.
Arey,
Ma'am,
for
Diwali
Okay,
की
remote is
okay.
सफाई.
easy, na?
Ma'am,
Okay,
Diwali
request
की सफाई.
accepted. Already I am not scolding anybody who
Thank
is
you, ma'am.
submitting late. Then what's
Thank
your
you, ma'am, so
problem?
much.
Thank you, ma'am.
मैम
Thank
But
you,
दिवाली की
ma'am.
सफाई मैम.
prepare well for exam. When is your exam?
Ma'am,
Wednesday, ma'am.
Day after
ma'am.
Monday.
Again,
Monday,
Wednesday.
ma'am.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Practice. Practice more problem. Have you got the PDF copy of the basic electrical and electronics book by Muthu Subramanian Salivanan?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Get it from PDF web. Google
No,
and
it is
get.
not available.
It's not available.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And